episode kasi what we're going to do now is we are going to do ukay ukay haul, and this haul will feature pieces na nakuha ko from an ukay shop na located sa Pangasinan. Layo, diba? Actually, it was through a friend. Kaya nakita ko tong shop na to kasi sakto nandun siya sa, sa area na yun. And then sinabi niya sa akin yung tungkol sa ukay shop ng friend niya. And then yun, pinakita niya yung mga cheap pieces na meron sila. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try on those pieces of clothing, and then we will check kung alin dun yung i-flip natin, ano naman yung i-keep natin. So meron kasing mga pieces doon na okay naman siya, hindi na kailangan i-flip. So yun. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Sige, so what's the point pa na tig to 20 pesos yung pinilit nating i-haul? Because I wanted to show you na kahit sa mga ukay, kahit sa sobrang mura na niya, may makikita ka pa rin, di ba usually sa ukay pag mas mahal, mas magaganda yung styles. Pero minsan kasi makakakita ka ng mga unique pieces pag sobrang cheap na siya. Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi siya gustuhin ng pangkaraniwan. Pero if you can see the potential of that certain clothing, di ba? Makikita mo na it can work. And nakakatuwa lang na nakuha mo siya at a very kumbaga yung presyo parang pamigay na lang, pero talagang magaganda pa. So for these dresses, ayan, the first one yung kulay black, it's going to be it's going to stay as it is. Hindi ko siya i-flip kasi okay naman yung fit niya. And for this one, ito maganda to kasi di ba medyo nauuso ngayon yung ethnic na parang prints. Ayan, so para siyang maxi dress na ayan, sobrang max yung haba niya. So, ang gagawin ko dito is I'm going to flip it. I'm going to adjust the hemline. Iaakit ko. And then, medyo hahabaan ko yung slit. Para may dating pa rin siya. This next one is a shirt dress. Ayan. Sige, try natin. Ayan. So, it's very casual. Very laid back. At bagay siya sa rubber shoes. Pampasyal. Ayan. So, maganda siya na parang tunic yung dating niya. Wala siyang shape. Pero, if you are looking for something more out of this dress, you can try on it with a belt. Ayan. So, just to give it a shape. It's nice. Diba? Flattering. And very classy. Looks good on sandals na flats or rubber shoes or sneakers. Next one is a blouse. Medyo malaki siya. Tingin ko large ang size nito. So, medyo ano din naman, may dating din yung medyo, kumaga malaki ng konti yung sleeves and then yung collar. So, what we're going to do here is we are going to flip it. And then, ayan, gagawin natin siyang cropped polo blouse. Next is this off-shoulder top. Actually, I'm not really into off-shoulder. Medyo nagustuhan ko lang yung color. So, as you can see, malaki siya sa akin. So, I'm just going to adjust sa shoulder area para ano siya, hindi siya nalalaglag. Kitang-kita sa likod na maluwag siya. Ayun. Yan. So, flip. This one is, yan, as you can see, obviously, it's big for me. Pero ang ganda ng fabric niya. And I like the print. Yan. Sobrang presko. So, since malaki siya, I'm going to flip it. Now, this one is, I think this is made of jersey stretch fabric. And it's in color pistachio. I liked it because nakita ko sa isang forecast or fashion forecast na pistachio green is going to be one of the most trendy color for the coming years. Kasi nandun siya more on the pastel side. So, at saka ang ganda niya sa denim blue. So, I'm going to flip that. This one, jackpot ako dito kasi sobrang ganda ng dress. Made out of cotton. And then, yung shape ng neckline, ng sleeves, and then yung mismong skirt, ang ganda niya. Sobrang fit niya sa akin, lalo sa waist area. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Tapos yung style niya parang medyo mas mahaba yung nasa likod. Low back siya. Ayan. So, it's super elegant looking. So, I tried it on wearing heels. So, pakita natin dito. So, bagay siya for formal events or occasions. Ayan. So, diba? Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. Jackpot siya for 20 pesos. So, ayan. Siguro, for those na mahilig din mag-ukay, tingin lang kayo sa bawat isa. Kung mag-i-analyze nyo yung itsura ng bawat isang pieces of clothing na nakakasalamuhan nyo. Para mas makita nyo or i-analyze nyo kung bagay siya sa inyo. Ayan. So, I also tried it on wearing sneakers. Ayan. So, bagay din siya. Very laid back naman ang dating neto. Sobrang in love ako sa dress na to. Next one is this chiffon polo blouse. Ayan, long sleeves. So, ang presko din ng fabric. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is we are going to keep it as it is. And then, ayan lang, itatay lang sa harapan to give it a little shape and then fold sa sleeves. So, bagay siya sa jeans. Ang ganda rin ng color. And the next one is this. Sobrang bet ko yung mga ganitong color. Yung parang medyo malungkot yung dating. Pero very retro. So, this one is, we are going to keep it as is. Ayan, hindi natin siya i-flip kasi ang ganda na ng fit niya. Lalo pag tinak-in niyo siya sa pants or sa shorts. At saka yung fabric niya, medyo may pagka-chiffon din. Pero mas makapal siya ng konti than the previous one. Ayan. Mali pa yung pagkaka-belt ko. Anyway, tsaka ang luwag ng short ko. Kaya, palampasin nyo na yan. Okay. Super nice. Ganda. Next, we have this dress. Ayan. Medyo natatawa yung friend ko na kinuha ko to, no? Kasi, pero I saw the potential of the fabric. Medyo, kasi ako, more on the vintage prints. Kaya, nagustuhan ko siya. And, yung cut niya is parang pang 80s kasi. So, ang gagawin ko dito is, of course, I'm gonna flip it. I'm going to raise the yung waistline niya, i-aakyat ko. And then, may makapal tong shoulder pad, tinanggal ko rin. And then, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut the sleeves, iigsian ko siya. And siguro kung kaya ko siyang gawing mas puff. Ayan, so it looks good on sneakers or rubber shoes. Lalo pag white. Ayan, angat lang natin yung hemline. So, that is going to update the look of this dress. Okay? So, yung mga next pieces na ipapakita ko sa inyo, hindi ko na siya susuotin kasi sobrang laki niya. So, medyo ilaladlad ko na lang para makita niyo yung kabuuan. So, pieces of clothing na kailangan nyo abangan sa mga susunod na episode kasi I'm going to do parang flip na kumbaga is hindi lang siya basta i-alter or liliitan. Gagawin natin siyang ibang-iba from this original styles. Ayan, this one I liked it because of the print. Diba? Ang cool. And it's in black. So, I super like it. And then, with this one, para siyang pang madam. Ayan. So, maganda yung plano ko dito. I'm going to do parang a dress, slip dress na cowl neckline. This one, siguro, I'm also going to do a dress from this one. Ayan, so makikita nyo sobrang laki. Pinipili ko talaga yung sobrang laki para mas, kumaga mas marami yung space or area na makukuha ko or magagamit ko for a certain design. At kung magkamali man ako, at least, diba, meron tayong mga reseta. And then this one is para siyang bridal or parang sinusuot ng mga groom ng mga Indian yata or somewhere parang Middle East. So ang nagustuhan ko dito is the bead detail. Sobrang ganda. Ang bigat niya, very intricate. So I'm going to do parang a cocktail dress from this one. Ayan. And then, ayan, sobrang ganda ng beadings. Next one is, ito wala pa akong idea kung anong gagawin ko dito. Para siyang pang konteserang siguro since it's made of spandex, I'm going to do a swimsuit out of that. So guys, please look forward to these flips and subscribe to this channel. I would love to hear your comments, suggestions on the pieces of clothing that you have seen, and I will see you again next time. Follow me on my social media pages. That's all for today. Bye!